How are you? How's everything?
President aritia wale bururi-ini wa Amerika kuria ikinyitie kigomano-ini kia o mwaka kia urumwe wa mabũrũri kanya karia rahũthĩrire gucemania na anyiti itemi matiganite kuria ni hamwe na kuuma kambuni ya Kenya Airways na kumagathiriria ni undu wa wirutiri wa gukinyaniria ngendo cia imwe kwa imwe kuma Kenya nginya Amerika kwambiriria tariki 28 mweri wa ikumi.
Also like to thank the US administration because they also have worked very closely with us to ensure that this Kenya Airways flight, Nairobi, Newyork, also becomes a reality. We have worked closely in terms of moving to upgrade our international airport in Nairobi to Category 1 status. And that also would not have been possible without the support of the US government. So I take this opportunity to thank them as well.
Mwanini wao arugamiriria kambuni eno matongoretio ni Michael Joseph na Sebastian Mikoza ni magathiriirie mutongoria wa bururi ni undu wa itemi riake hari kugacirithia ngendo icio.
Kenya Airways in a new phase in our development, and I think and also know that this is a new beginning for us for Kenya Airways. As probably many of you know, that we've been through quite a traumatic time over the last 4 years. We've been through a financial restructuring. We're now going through a different restructuring. We have new things on the horizon to turn this airline around to make it once more the pride of Africa.
Nyuriti ya Kenya aria mari bururi-ini wa Amerika kuhimbiria ngendo icio akiuga ni kumahonokeria thendi handu hakuohaga thabari kugerera gitaru kia Europe. Uhuru oigite thirikari yake ni ikiriire muno utungata ucio kuria ningi agathiriirie thirikari ya Amerika ni undu wa itemi riayo hari kugaciriria utungata uyo.
And I believe that this will not only just boost tourism, it will boost business and trade ties between our two countries. So to me, it's a very special day in many ways. It will also make it cheaper for people to travel.
Bururi wa Kenya ugukorwo uri wa mbere thiini wa mabũrũri ma Afrika ya irathiro gutabania thabari cia imwe kwa imwe nginya mucii munene wa Newyork bururi wa Amerika. President arari hamwe na Minister wa maundu ma nanja Monica Juma, Peter Munya wa Iganda na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ukui Esther Koimet gatagati kagi. Hadu ni Hakameme TV, Jitego Maina, Kihumo.